Hi guys, I am in Lulu and I'm currently here to do some shopping. I'll be cooking something. I'm trying to pick up some of the freshest items that I can get for my cooking today. So yeah, stay tuned. A lot of customers are coming in. So before this hypermarket starts, filling up, I better do my shopping and get out of here. Let's go. As you can see, there's different kinds of cheeses, and the one that I want is obviously parmesan. So guys, all the ingredients have been purchased, so now it's time to head home and start cooking. So for this recipe, you'll require olive oil, tomatoes, chicken cubes, penne pasta, garlic cloves, juice of half a lemon, parmesan cheese, double cream, Cajun spice, chicken stock, and parsley. Bring a large pan of salted water to boil and cook the pasta for a minute less than the pack instructions. Once done, add in your olive oil, give it a quick stir and keep it aside. Heat the olive oil in a large shallow saucepan. Over medium heat, add in your chicken cubes and season it slightly and leave it for about 6 to 8 minutes. Stir it occasionally just until it turns golden brown. At this stage, stir in your chopped garlic and cook it for another 2 minutes more. Once the garlic turns brown, add in your Cajun-style seasoning and stir the chicken pieces very well until it's evenly coated. After 2 minutes of cooking, add in your chopped tomatoes and give it a quick stir. Stir it in occasionally and keep it on low-medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the tomato softens completely. Now go ahead and add in your quarter of a can of water and a chicken stock cube. Stir it and then bring it to a simmer and cook for 5 minutes. Once that's done, stir in your cream into the chicken and continue to simmer gently. So keep stirring it occasionally until the sauce thickens. Once the sauce begins to bubble, add in your pasta. Make sure that the pasta is cooked, drained well, and added into this chicken mixture. Now finish cooking the pasta in the sauce over a low heat for about 2 minutes and then add in your parmesan cheese and lemon juice. Let it cook for 1 minute more, and now let's serve the pasta straight from the pan into a large serving bowl. And add in some more parmesan cheese. Scatter it with parsley if you like. So guys, my Cajun chicken pasta is ready. If you have liked today's video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And obviously, don't forget to make this